Here in front of me, XIAOMI Redmi Note 11s, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. I'll do this with the help of the decibelmeter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. And a maximum mode means that when the decibelmeter will reach the highest volume, the value here on the display will change. So let's start. So as can you see, our XIAOMI device reached 111.5 decibels. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.